Nepalese police baton-charged Madhesi protesters and burned down their tents, evicting them from Miteri Bridge on the Indo-Nepal border. India has expressed deep concern at the developments after an Indian was killed in the police firing at the border.
जो भी हो जैसे भी हो भारत और नेपाल आपस में बैठ के इसको सल्टाना है। हम जैसे यानी पॉलिटिकली डोमेस्टिक जो हमारा राजनीतिक समस्या है उसको जैसे पार्टियों से सुलझाने के प्रयास सरकार को करना है, सरकार करेगा।
The pre-dawn swoop opened the main Birgunj-Raxaul border trading point for the first time in 40 days. 5 protesters were arrested. Some 170 empty freight trucks then entered into India through the border point. The trucks were stranded due to the blockade by Madhesi agitators and had led to a halt in supply of essential goods, causing an acute shortage of fuel in Nepal. Some reports said there was a 15-kilometer-long queue of vehicles waiting for clearance to enter Nepal. The vehicles were carrying essential fuels, LP gas, medicines and food supplies to the landlocked country. Talks between Nepal government and Madhesi groups agitating over the country's new constitution ended inconclusively on Sunday. But Deputy Prime Minister Kamal Thapa said the dialogue was moving in a positive direction. The major demands of the Madhesi front are to redraw the demarcation of the federal provinces and more representation. They also want those killed in the recent protests to be treated as martyrs and free treatment to the injured besides compensation to victims' families. Over 40 people have died in the violent agitation. India has advised transporters to exercise caution after they voiced concern about deteriorating situation across the border.
3 महीने हो गए यहाँ नेपाल में आए हुए फंस गए थे जाम के कारण। आज हम इंडिया में बहुत आके खुशी हुए हैं, जा रहे अपना परिवार से मिलने के लिए। बहुत हमें खुशी हो रहा है।
Nepal Oil Corporation and PetroChina inked an agreement in Beijing a few days ago, whereby China has agreed to supply petroleum products to Nepal to fulfill 1/3 of their demands. DD News.